To change screen timeout on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, all you simply have to do is just grab your watch, and from here you'll have to go into the settings. So you can either do it by going into these quick settings right here, and there you can find the shortcut for the settings, or also you can do it by going into the settings from these application lists. So you'll have to go all the way down on this list, and here you can find settings. So let's go in there. And from here you have to scroll down and go into the display and brightness, I mean. From here you'll actually have to scroll all the way down in these settings, and you can find this function screen on right here. So let's tap on this one, and you can change these values from 5 minutes up to 20 minutes. These are these values which are available. Simply select any of these and press OK. Here's the information that the longer screen times mean shorter battery life. So yeah, let's simply continue. Let's change this screen timeout, and that's basically how you can do this.